Hi, welcome to the Aero Workshop. Today, we're going to show you how to reload your T50ACN electric staple gun and nailer. First, turn the power switch in the back off. And make sure your tool is disconnected from the power supply. Now, turn the tool upside down and open the magazine with the magazine release lever in the back. If you're stapling, you'll need a strip of T50 staples. Make sure the legs of the staple are facing up towards the ceiling. Place the strip of staples into the magazine. If you're nailing, you'll need a strip of 5/8 inch 18 gauge brad nails. Make sure the points of the nails are facing up towards the ceiling. Insert the nails into the magazine. Look for the brad nail indicator on the front of the tool. That's the side of the magazine the nail should rest against. Now you can close the magazine, making sure it locks in place. Now just plug it back in, turn the tool back on, and now you can get back to work. Thanks for stopping by the Aero Workshop. Be sure to tag Aero Fastener on social media. We'd love to see your next project.